manually archive your strategy at any time. Archiving a strategy means you're saving all of the files you need in a zip file to recreate it on another computer. Let's see how. From Config mode, select File, Archive Strategy. A window pops up and shows the directory path where the file was saved. Notice there's an Archives folder in your Strategies directory. The file name includes the date and timestamp. Also a part of the file name is the PAC Control version, whether it's Basic or Pro. This one's PAC Control Basic. And Archive, because you manually archived this file. You're asked if you want to open a browser to where the archive was saved. Typically, you'll click No, but in this case, we'll click Yes to see what was created. We can see other archives have already been created. Since a new archive file is created each time you archive a strategy, you can manually delete any old archive files you don't want to keep. You now know how to manually archive your PAC Control strategy anytime you want to.